Now I'm going to be very brief in this video. The only two softwares I can recommend to you is Bandicam and Camtasia. Now before I go too further, let me know which software do you use to screen record into the comment box of this video. You can put your comment and people out there can know if at all they are looking out there for which software they can use, as long as you're not scamming the viewers. Okay, now first I use this Bandicam. Now I use Bandicam, reason being it is supports can be easily used to a low-end PC, and I use the premium version. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Why I use Bandicam, if you look at my PC, the specs you're seeing there are very down, they are very low. It's a low-end PC, and that means I need a software which it can run on a low-end PC very smoothly without any lagging. Now when you look at my PCI 3, processor power is low, 6 gigs of RAM. Actually it is very low. You can screen record, you can record your game. If you're a gamer, you can record a certain area of the screen which you want, and there are other things which you can do. For instance, you can record using your microphone and many other things. You can use the camera just like any other screen recorder out there. And then the second one I recommend is Camtasia software, which you can use. It's also good at low-end PCs, and you can download the free trial or you can buy as well. There is these are the features. The desserts are you can screen record. One, that is the purpose why we are here. You can broadcast, you can live stream with it as well. You can, even if you have a recorded video and you want to live stream using, you can use this. It has remove a color, that is green screen, for those who know about green screen, audio effects, those who know about this. So it has a lot of features just like the way you're seeing them over here. A lot of stuffs you can do with it, and just go on and download using the software, using the link I've left in the description of this video, and you can go on, use the free trial, or you can buy. Now with that, I remain Scott. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share this video. We'll meet in another video. God bless.